Welcome to Quiz Rainbow. You'll create your own Super Mario Dream House, one choice at a time. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Rainbow channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's go! Time to create your dream home. Are you choosing Yoshi, Princess Peach, or Rosalina? I'm curious, what front door style matches your dream space? Which doorbell would you press? Are you ready to splash? Choose the character theme for your water park. Would you rather carry a Mario suitcase, Yoshi's adorable one, or the creepy King Boo one? Go on, pick the bunk bed you've always wanted. Let's explore the pool area. Who dares to dive into Bowser's lava pool? Which living room's your choice? Next up, we can't pass the massage chairs. They're waiting to give you the ultimate cozy break. Choose your staircase. Three slides. Which one are you picking for all-day fun? Yoshi, Peach, or Mario? Like for Mario, comment for Peach, or subscribe your channel. Which home would you make for your pet? Next round, which garage matches your supercar style? Choose your car. Time to upgrade your bathroom. Which cool toilet are you choosing? Bowser Jr.'s, Yoshi's, or Mario's? Let's check out the new bedroom. Which one's your favorite? Choose your bedside table. Which sink is your choice? Would you rather shower in Rosalina's bathroom, Bowser's Wild One, or Wart's bathroom? Which shower gets the spotlight this round? Choose your tent. Make sure your kitchen's ready for cooking up lots of delicious treats. Would your home office be inspired by Princess Peach, Rosalina's Galaxy, or Yoshi's Playful World? Which garden do you like best? Coming up, window choices are here. Which one would you go with? If you can take only one waterbed, would it be blue, purple, or yellow? Choose your flower. What's your move? Are you grabbing from the left, the middle, or right? Would you rather hang out in Karopi's Fun Park, Hello Kitty's Dreamland, or Pom Pom Purin's Amusement Park? The choice is yours. Three views, one decision. Do you want to play Sonic Claw Machine, Hello Kitty Claw Machine, or Mario one? Choose your chair. Which mouse gets your vote? You're definitely going to love having one of these retreat houses. Which attic fits your style? Choose your beach home. Choose your dining room. Thank you for watching the video. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.